Hey, welcome to another video. Today is the launch of 3 new polishes in my Nimy nail polish range, so I thought I'd post a video swatching the polishes and telling you a little bit more information about them. So starting with the Jane's Duo, these polishes are super special to me. They are inspired by and named after my mother-in-law Jane, who sadly passed away in 2014. First is Jane's Sunshine, which is a bright yellow crelly polish with a beautiful subtle gold shimmer. Blue and yellow were Jane's favourite colours, so that's the inspiration behind choosing blue and yellow for this duo. This is a great shade for spring and summer, and depending on your application it will be opaque in 2 or 3 coats. I prefer doing 3 thin coats. Next is Jane's Cornflower, and like I mentioned, Jane's favourite colours were blue and yellow, so this is blue. Her favourite flower was cornflowers, so that's the inspiration behind the name. This is a medium shade blue with scattered dark blue hex glitter, and it is opaque in 2 coats. This duo of polishes is available now on my website nimynails.com and on my Etsy, and £1 per bottle sold will be donated to Macmillan's Cancer Support Charity. The third polish I'm launching today is a limited edition Valentine's Day shade. This is a jelly-ish red polish which is packed with tiny silver flakes that reflect almost bright pink in the red base and pale pink hex glitter. This polish is opaque in 2 coats, and the hex glitter isn't too much of a hassle to distribute around the nails. This polish also looks great with matte top coat on it. I hope you like these polishes. If you're in the UK and you're interested in buying any of these polishes or any of my previously released polishes, then head over to nimynails.com. Thanks for watching and happy nail painting.